Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I did this fun coral makeup look for you. And it's all coral, blush, eyeshadow, and the lip, as you can see. This is a super easy look and it doesn't take very many products or much time, though I did get a little crazy with bouncing around from eyeshadow to eyeshadow. But you don't have to do that, obviously. You can just use one eyeshadow if you really want. And yeah, glowy skin as usual, especially since we're approaching well, we're in spring, but we're approaching summer, and I feel like you want your skin to look glowy in the summer, right? You don't want it to look dry and nasty. So yeah, keep watching if you want to see how I did this. So first I need to prime my eyes. So I'm going to start with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And we're going to place that all over my lid. Less is more with this product. I zoomed in a little bit so you could see better what I'm doing. So I'm going to take a tiny little brush and we're going to start with some color in the crease. I'm going to go in with this MAC color and it's called Coral, so let's give it a try. And I'm just going to place it in the crease very lightly. The peach palette is open and I can smell the peach scent that's coming from it, because I'm sure some of you know Too Faced likes to get crazy and they like to put scents in their eyeshadow palettes, some of them. And the peach one smells like peaches, or at least like peach candy. Side as well. I'm going to go into the Lime Crime Venus palette and I'm going to take some of this color. It's called Rebirth, and I'm going to layer that in the crease too. It looks kind of like a satin color, so I'm not going to go up too high. I'm going to place it like right under. Right under the crease. It's a little bit brighter than the MAC Coral. Well, it's actually a really pretty color on the eyes. I love a good coral blush and coral lip, but I've never done a coral eye makeup before. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this color called Shell, and I'm going to place it right on the center of the lid. Just to give it a little bit of a shimmer. Then I'm going to go back in with the MAC Coral color and just darken up, or layer it more into the crease. We want this to be like soft and blown out. So it's just supposed to be like a super chill look, but coral. Okay, so I went and dug in my collection and I found this eyeshadow from L'Oreal. It is one of the Infallible shadows and it's in the color Cherie, Merie or something. I don't really know. But I'm going to take a little bit of it and I'm going to take some Smashbox primer water. I'm almost out of this, and I'm going to spray the brush and then I'm going to swipe it in this color and we're gonna pop it on the lid. Alright, so next we're gonna do the face. As I close up all of these things. First we're gonna prime, and I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Coconut Primer. This actually smells really nice, like coconuts, obviously. This feels so nice on the skin. I have combo oily skin and I don't really use hydrating primers too much, but this one is so nice. Next I'm going to take some Maybelline Fit Me and we're going to just dot that all over the face. And I'm going to take a damp beauty blender. We're going to work that into the face. Can't forget the neck. Looks very dark on camera. I don't know. I know I got the right shade, but I don't understand why it looks this dark. When I pull it down my neck, it's like, oh. Maybe we can balance that out a little bit with the concealer. I'm going to take some of the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Going to really highlight. Balance me. We're going to blend it out. I'm going to take the RCMA powder, which I've depotted, and I use this Morphe M438 brush, and I dip it into the powder, knock off the extra, and I stamp it under my eyes. I feel like I need more definition in this eye look because it's just not doing it for me. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of eyeshadow from the Sweet Peach palette, and I'm gonna take the darker, or like this light brown, and I'm gonna mix it with this reddish brown, just back and forth a little bit in each color, and then I'm gonna put it in the outer V. I don't really want to add too much color, just enough to get a little bit of definition. Let's try this side. I feel like my left eye is always a pain. Now we can powder the face. I'm gonna take my tried and true Charlotte Tilbury powder. And I'm just gonna stamp it into the skin. This is an e.l.f. brush. It's like $3 at Target. It's the powder brush. So I'm gonna go underneath the eyes, and I'm gonna put the colors that we did up top on the bottom. And we're gonna load up the tip of this brush and stamp it underneath the eye. This is a lot softer than using an eyeliner, and I feel like this look needs to be nice and soft. And then we're gonna go back in with the Lime Crime and do the same thing. Oh, yes. I'm feeling this hardcore. All right, now we can do the face. And this is the part I'm very excited for because I just got this Benefit Cheekleaders Bronze Squad Highlight Contour Bronzer palette. And you guys, there's actually a dark hula in here. So when I was at Ulta, I swatched this, and the hula in here was actually dark enough for me. This, which I feel like it's never been, but on my hand it was like really dark, and I was like, they have Hula Caramel in here, which is a darker bronzer. It's nice to see Benefit finally coming out with darker bronzers. There's Coralista Blush, that one. And then this one is called Gold Rush. And then this highlight is called Cookie. And I'm super pumped to use it. It looks very buttery and delicious. We're gonna dip into the Hula and the Hula Caramel. And we're just gonna start bronzing. Actually, let's start with the forehead first. Whoa. I might as well just put this all over my face. Okay, that needs a blend. I'm gonna take a brush to just diffuse that a little bit. I'm going to go in with the Cookie highlighter, this one. So I'm going to use this dry and see what it looks like. I really don't even think Benefit has ever come out with anything that I've been this impressed with. Minus the Roller Lash Mascara because that's my fave. But this is something else. This is a whole other level. Just put a little bit above the brow because I like the way your skin glows when you have a little bit on your forehead. And the nose, I know some people don't like the nose highlight, but I do. I'm gonna layer 2 blushes. I'm gonna go in first with the This Is Paradise blush from MAC. It's, as you can see, a coral. It looks kind of pink, but that's what it really looks like. I'm gonna load it up on this brush. This is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collection. I just got it the other day. I'm gonna lightly sweep it onto my cheeks. And then I'm gonna layer the Coralista on top. It's kind of a sheeny blush. It doesn't really give you that much pigment, but I don't know. It smells nice. Benefit is coming for your necks, guys. You better watch out. Okay, so we're almost done. Now we have to do the rest of our eyes, and I'm going to obviously use the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Before mascara though, we're gonna do a nude liner. This one is from the Sephora brand and it's called Infinite Beige. So we're gonna just tug the eye down and run that in the waterline. And try really hard not to get mascara on my eyelid. Oh, I got a lot of mascara on there now, but it's okay. Let's hit the bottom lashes really quick. And for a little fun, I'm gonna take that highlighter that I used and I'm gonna place some in the inner corner. Just a little bit, because we don't want to take away from how stunning the coral is. A little under the brow. Okay, time for lips. I'm going to use MAC Ablaze lip liner first, just to map out this lip. Then I'm gonna top it off with MAC Ravishing Lipstick. This is an oldie but a goodie. I used to wear this in high school. This is just so coral. It's so me. I love coral. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the color Sunset Strip. I'm gonna use the Catrice Prime and Fine multi-talent fixing spray. And there you have it, folks. This is my dewy skin, coral, summer, spring, fresh, delicious makeup. If you like this video, make sure you click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want, hit the bell notification button so you know every time I upload. Please leave a comment below telling me what you like. I'm always open to suggestions. I have a bunch of ideas I want to do. I keep a list in my phone of what things to do. I think eventually I'm going to do my favorite like highlighters and glowy products, and probably another fun colored tutorial, and maybe, I don't know. It's honestly whatever you guys want to see. Yeah, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye. Some good rosé.